Hello everyone, this is Rizwan Yousaf. In today's video, we will discuss about dependency injection. What is dependency injection? Why we use dependency injection? What are the benefits of using dependency injection? And we will create a real-time example of dependency injection in ASP.NET Core MVC. So please watch till the end of the video. Okay. So let's talk about what is dependency injection. In simple words, dependency injection is a design pattern in which an object does not create by its dependent classes but ask for it. Okay. Secondly, the main idea of dependency injection reduce the coupling between the classes. Okay. So these are the two main objectives of using dependency injection. Let's discuss the coupling between the classes. So what is coupling between classes? Let's suppose we have a main college class and events are being organized in college. We have multiple events in college, like we have educational events, we have a party events, and we have a sports events. Okay, you can see in the image or you can see in the diagram, we have a main college class and we have a child classes like educational events, like party events, and the third one is sports events. Okay, the main class is a college class and we have a multiple child classes like educational event class, party class or musical event class, and sports event class. So these three are child classes and the college class is a main or parent class. Okay. If we remove the main class, which is college class, then the child classes will be removed automatically, will be destroyed automatically. Okay. Why it will happen? Because these child classes are tightly coupled with parent class. Due to coupling, if the parent class will be removed, the child classes will be removed automatically. Okay, this is a classic example of class coupling, classes coupling. Okay, how we can decouple the classes, we will see when we discuss dependency injection in ASP.NET Core in the later part of the video. Okay. So how we can solve this problem? The solution of this problem to shift the control of organizing the event somewhere else, where events should not be dependent on a specific class. In other words, the main class should not have a complete implementation of aggregated class or a child class. It should be dependent on abstraction. Okay. How we can achieve abstraction? We will use interface or abstract class to achieve the abstraction. Don't worry, we will see real-time example of dependency injection in ASP.NET Core in the later part of the video. Okay. So this is very important to know the whole process of organizing the object to somewhere else, not based on class, using abstraction is called IOC, inversion of control. Okay. IOC container is also known dependency injection container. The IOC container is also known as dependency injection container. Okay. IOC helps to manage dependencies within the application in simple way, in a very simple way. Okay, we will see the whole process in ASP.NET Core MVC in the later part of the video. So stay tuned. What we have done? We have created a model class which is college event model. In this model we have defined the attributes like ID and name, and after that we have created a service which is a college event service. Okay, and in this service we have a method getAll method, and this method is returning the list of events. Okay, and in the index action method we are creating an instance of college event service and invoking its getAll method and getAll list of events. Okay, now the problem is this service, which is college event service, is tightly coupled to the index action method of home controller. Let's assume we have another service which is sports event service.
What if we have another service which is educational event service, and we want to replace that service with this service? We need to change in every controller where we had used college event service. Let's assume we have used this service in 60, 50, 60 or 100 controller, and we want to replace this service with sports event service. So this is not an easy task for us because our code is tightly coupled with this service. Okay. So what we have done in order to achieve dependency injection? We created an interface which is I event, okay, and we defined a function initialization which is get all, or you can say we defined function prototype in our interface. Okay, after that we created a service which is sports event service, and then we implemented our interface on this service, our interface function on this service. Okay, right now we have a one function in our interface, and the implementation of this function is in the sports event service. Okay, you can see. And in next step, we configured the interface and required service within the startup class. Okay, this is our services area, services section, where all the services of ASP.NET Core will be configured in this section. Okay, and this is a service lifetime. We have three types of lifetime: add transient, add scoped, and add singleton lifetime of service pipeline. Okay, we will discuss hopefully in the next video what is transient and what is scoped and what is singleton lifetime of services. Okay, what we have achieved by adding this service in the service section. By adding this line within the configure services section, this service has been added in the pipeline. Now we can use this service in any controller by injecting in the constructor, as we have used this into our home controller. Okay, you can see. So what is the difference between this code and the previous one? You can see now we are not creating instance of our service by using new keyword. We are just asking for it. This is nothing but dependency injection. Okay, but the problem is not completely solved. If we are not creating instance of the service which we are using in our home controller, so someone has to create the instance of this service and pass it to the controller constructor of home controller class. So this is where ASP.NET Core dependency injection comes into the picture. The responsibility of creating an instance of the service is in the framework. Within the framework, this job done by DI container or IOC, inversion of control. Okay, I hope you understand the concept of DI in ASP.NET Core. If you have any query or question, let me know in comment section. Okay, so what are the benefits of using dependency injection? It helps in class decoupling. Due to class decoupling, reusability of code is increased. By using DI, the code maintainability and testing will be improved. These are the major benefits of using DI. Okay. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.